class. Now, before we formally start, let's have a prayer first. Okay, can I call on Miss Gonzalez to lead us a prayer? Okay, go ahead. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay, thank you, Ms. Gonzalez. Now, once again, good morning, class. Okay, thank you. Now, before you take your seats, class, kindly arrange your chairs and pick up the pieces of garbages you see. Okay, in a count of 5 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you. You may now take your seats. Okay, again, good morning, class. I am happy to see you today, class. So, let's take our attendance first. Okay, may I call on the president of the class? Okay, may I know who is absent today? Okay, none. Very good, class. Can you give yourselves a round of applause? So, thank you for being present today, class. It means you are all willing to learn something new today. It's indeed a good morning. Okay, now, again, let me repeat our classroom rules. So, for our rule number 1, okay, if you want to answer, just raise your hand like this. Okay, if I happen to call you, then you can proceed with your answer. Now for the rule number 2, if I do this hand sign, again, what is this? Very good. Keep quiet. You are getting noisy, class. So observe silence. Okay? Now for the last group, class, we have respect. Be respectful, okay? You are now in grade 5, right? So I believe you already know this. Okay. So am I clear with these rules? Okay, thank you. Now class, before I introduce to you our new lesson for today, let's have a review first. Okay. Can someone from the class tell us what was our lesson last meeting? Okay, Miss Cruz. Okay, very good. Our lesson last meeting was all about parameter. Okay, what is again parameter? Okay, Rojas. Very good. Parameter, class, is a total measurement of all the edges of a very good shape. Now, I gave you an assignment last meeting, right? Okay, can you give me a heads up? Okay, yes. Okay, kindly get your assignment and exchange it with your seatmate class. Okay, now don't forget to write corrected by. Okay, are we good to proceed? Okay. Okay, let's start checking now, class. Okay, are you done checking class? Okay. Now, in a count of 3, pass your notebooks in front. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now class, to formally start our lesson for today, I have mirror pictures. So I want you class to identify what are these pictures. And afterward, I want you to share with us what is your observations. Okay, now for the first picture we have, okay, what is this? Okay, Rojas. Okay, very good. It's a clock. Now for the second picture class we have, how about this? What is this? Okay, Flores. Very good. It's a lake. Now for the last picture class we have, how about this? Very good. It's a, okay, very good. Cruz, it's a bicycle wheel. Now class, based on these pictures, what is your observation? What do you think? Or do they have the same shape? Or what shape do they have? Okay, very good. They all have the shape of a circle. Very good, class. Now class, on the board, I have here jumbled letters. Okay, all you have to do is to identify what are these words by arranging the jumbled letters. Now, any volunteers? Proceed in front, okay? Okay, we have Cruz, Rojas, Gonzalez, and Flores. Kindly proceed in front. I will give you 1 minute to arrange these jumbled letters, okay? Okay, let's start. In 3, 2, 1.
Mana lagi kau tadi? Mending di mana lagi kau?
1 minute.
Ha?
1 minute. Okay, 5 seconds left. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, kindly take your seats now. Okay, let me see if you arranged it properly or correctly. Okay, can you give yourselves a round of applause? You got the right words. Okay. Now, based on this activity class, what do you think will be our lesson for today? Okay, Flores. Very good. Our lesson for today is all about finding the circumference of a circle. Very good. Now, teacher, how do you find the circumference circle. What are the steps in finding the circumference of a circle? Okay, do you have any idea? Okay, I guess not everyone have any idea yet. Okay, that's okay, because teacher Andrea will discuss to you what is our how would you find the circumference of a circle. Okay, now let's first get to know these terms. We have circumference, diameter, radius, and height. Okay, so let's first define what is circumference, class. Okay, circumference is, can you read? Okay, can you read? Okay, thank you. So circumference, class, is also known as the perimeter of a circle. Imagine you are holding an object like this clock. Okay, the circumference is the distance all around this object. Okay, now in solving or finding the circumference of a circle, we need to consider these terms. We have diameter, radius, and height. Very good. So in solving the circumference of a circle or finding the circumference of a circle, we need to consider these diameter, radius, and height. So first we have diameter, class. So kindly read F1. Thank you. So diameter, class, always remember that diameter is a line that passes through the center point of a circle. So as we can see, we have here on this drawing, we have the circumference, and then we have a line that passes through the center point of a circle. So that is diameter, class. Now we have also what we call the radius, class. Okay, can you read? Okay, thank you. So radius, class, is also a line from the edge to the center point of a circle. So as you can see on this drawing, we have this line to the center point of a circle. Now you have to remember that radius, class, is always or only half of the diameter. So we have here, yes, half of the diameter, radius. Now we have also what we call pi, class. Okay, can you read, class? Okay, thank you. Now pi, class, is the ratio of a circumference. It is a special number that helps you in finding the circumference of a circle. So pi, or the rational numbers, or the constant value of pi, class, is, again, how to read this? Very good. 3 and 14 hundredths. If decimal. If fraction, class, we have to use 22 over 7. Very good, class. Now, since we are done defining circumference, diameter, that the diameter is twice the radius. Okay, that is why we have 2 there. Okay. Now, we are done with the formulas. Let's move on now to the steps in finding the circumference of a circle. So we have for the step 1, can you read everyone? Okay, thank you. Now for the step 1 class, find the radius. If the given is radius, again we need to use this formula. And if the given is the diameter, we need to use this formula. Okay, for the step 2 class, we have used the formula to calculate the circumference of the circle. So apply the formulas class. So we have these formulas. So now class, for the last step, we have, can you read? Okay, thank you. So for the last step, always give your answers with the correct unit. Okay. Now to further understand, let's have an example. Okay. For example, find the circumference. Now, what is the given class? Very good. The given is diameter. So we need to use the formula again. Okay, very good. Circumference equals pi times d. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, circumference equals times d. Now, what is the rational numbers of pi? Very good. 3 and 14 hundredths. Okay, multiplied by the given diameter, we have 20 centimeter times 20 centimeter. Okay, let's try to multiply it class. Okay, 3 and 1400 times 20. Okay, so 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 1, 0. Very good. 0 times 3, again 0. So 2 times 4 class. Very good. 8. So 2 times 1, okay, 2. So 2 times 3, very good, 6. So let's add all in all. Okay, we have 0, 8, 2, and 6. Okay, again, let's count the numbers after the decimal point. Okay, 1, 2. So we need to move it by 2. Okay, we have, again, don't forget the unit class. The unit given is centimeter. So this would be our final answer. Again, can you read the final answer, guys? Okay, very good. 62 and 80 hundredths centimeter. Okay. Now, let's have another example. We have, this time our given is, very good, radius class. So, we will use the formula. What will be our formula? We have circumference equals 2 times 5 times r. Okay, let's try to solve it fast. Okay, the formula is circumference times 2r times 5 times r. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, we have circumference equals 2. Again, what is the constant value of pi? Okay, 3 and 14 hundredths times r, the given radius. What is the given radius? Very good. 8 decimeter. 8 decimeter. Okay, let's try to multiply it class. So we have 2, or first is 3.14, or 3 and 14 hundred times 2. So we have 2 times 4 class 8. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3. Very good. 6. So count your numbers after the decimal point. 1, 2. So move it by 2. So we get 6 and 28 hundredths. So now that we get the 6 and 28 hundredths, let's multiply it by 8. 6 and 28 hundredths. Okay, let's multiply this. So 6 and 28 multiplied by 8. Okay. Now, so 8 times 8 class, 64. So carry 6. So 8 times 2, very good, 16. So plus 6, we get, very good, 22. So carry 2. So 8 times 6, 48. Plus 2, very good, 15. Now count the the numbers after the decimal point. We have 1, 2. So 1, 2. So the final answer is circumference equals 50 and 24 hundredths. Again, don't forget the given unit. Okay, we have the center. Okay, do you understand, class? Okay, now let's see if you are really listening to me, or if you really get what is our lesson for today. Let's solve this problem, class. So kindly read, everyone. A circular plant is to be surrounded by a fence. The radius of the band is 3 and 2/10 meters. So how many meters of fence is needed to enclose the band? Okay, can someone answer this? Proceed in front. Any volunteer, class? Okay, we have Flores. And the answer? Okay, I will give you 1 minute to answer. Okay, your 1 minute starts now. Okay, 5 seconds left. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. Again, the final answer is, okay, let's try. Okay, we have, given is radius. Okay, we will use the formula circumference equals 2 times pi times r. Okay, C is equal to 2 times the rational numbers 3 and 1400 times the radius 3 and 2/10 meter. Okay, we get 2. Okay, let's try to multiply this. We have 3.14 times 2, we get, okay, 8. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 6 and 28. Then multiply it again by 3 Very good. 12. Okay, now 3 times 8. Okay, 24. Sorry. Okay, we have to carry 2. 3 times 2. Very good. 6 plus 2. Very good. 8. Okay, we have also 3 times 6. Okay, we get 18. So our final answer would be, okay, let's add all in all. 4, 6, 1, 8, 8, 4. Okay, let's add. We have 0 and so we have 5 plus 8 class. Okay, we get 13. 1. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 8. Okay, we get 11. Okay, the answer is very good. Count the numbers after the decimal point. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So our final answer would be 3 and 130 thousandths. Okay. Don't forget class again the meter we have. Don't forget class again the unit. Again, okay. Our unit would be meter. So this would be our final answer. Again, how to read this? Very good. 3 and 130 thousandths meter. Okay, very good class. You get our lesson for today. Now, okay, for a moment. Okay, now class, you understand how to find the circumference of a circle. I have a question to you, class. Okay, again, what is circumference? Okay, Miss Flores. Very good. Circumference is the distance all around, okay, the circle. Very good. Now, again, what is diameter? Very good. Diameter, class, is a line that passes through the center point of a circle. Now, class, how about radius? Okay, Mr. Cruz. Very good. Radius, class, always remember that radius is half of the diameter. Now, class, again, what are our formulas in finding the circumference of a circle? Okay, can you name one, Rojas? Okay, circumference equals 5 times e. Now, for the second formula, if the given is radius, we will use, okay, Rosalie, very good. Circumference equals 2 times 5 times r. Now, class, how about the steps in finding the circumference of a circle? Can you state the step 1? Very good. Step 1, always find the radius or diameter of a circle. Now, for the step 2, okay, can we answer Flores? Very good. Use the formula. Apply the formulas. Okay. Now, for the last step, class, okay, we have Leslie. Very good. The last rule, always give your answers with a correct unit. Very good. Okay. Now that I can tell that you really understand it, I will group you, class, into 3 groups. Okay. Now you will be given each group will be given this object. We have clock, explained. So at the back on it, okay, we have given measurement, okay? Okay, all you have to do is to answer it within your group and then choose one representative to answer that problem on the board. Okay? Okay. This will be group 1. So this will be for group 2 and that will be group 3. Okay? Okay, group 1. Okay, group 2. Okay, group 3. Okay. Kindly look at the back, on the back of that object we have given measurement. Okay? Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to answer it within your group class. And then after 10 minutes, choose one representative to answer it on the board. Okay? Okay, explain to us why you came up that answer. Okay. So class, your 10 minutes starts now. Okay, now are you done, class? Okay, now are you done, class? You only have 1 minute to answer. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, settle down now. Okay, stay within your group class. Okay. Now you have representatives. Okay. Okay, let's have first the group 1. Very good, group 1. You get the correct answer. So now for the group 2. Very good. You also got the correct answer. Very good, group 2. Now for the last group, we have group 3. Okay, very good. Group 3, you got the correct answer. Now, can you give yourselves a round of applause because you all got the correct answer. Okay. Now that I can tell that you really understand it and that you really understood the lesson for today, now I have here answer sheets. Okay, but before that, I have a question, class. So how can finding the circumference of the circle help us in our daily lives? Okay, any volunteer? Okay, Flores. Very good. So finding the circumference of the circle help us in, very good, measuring like circular things like this accurately. So in finding the circumference of the circle, it can help us in from everyday situations like biking, yes, okay, biking, from crafting, and even for gardening, right? So you have to measure your garden, your circular garden. So we will use this finding the circumference of a circle. Okay, very good that you get the lesson for today, class. So now, class, I want you to settle down now. Now, class, that you really understood our lesson for today, I have your answer sheets. Okay? All you have to do is to answer this in 5 minutes. So you will be given this each. Okay? Get one and pass. Get one and pass. Okay, get one and pass. Okay. Now, don't forget to write your name and section. Okay, your 5 minutes starts now. your papers. Okay, thank you. Now class, I will give you an assignment. Kindly get your math notebook. Okay, write this please. Study in advance, pages 56 to 60. Okay, because for the next meeting, I will ask you about that. Okay? Don't forget to study. Okay. Now class, to formally end our class, I want each of you to state one word that how are you okay, now class, to formally end our class, I want you to state one word. I will ask you each and state one word. How did you find the lesson today? Okay? Okay, let's proceed here. Okay, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Okay, now class, let's end our class here. So goodbye class, can we stand? Okay, can I call on Gonzalez to lead us a prayer, a closing prayer. Okay? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you, class, for attending our class today. Okay? Class dismissed. Bye.